Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add custom button effects on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so you already know that GoHighLevel has a button. Also they have some theme of the button, but adding a different type of style, hover effect, that are actually not possible into the default page builder. That's why we have created some different buttons. Okay, and each button has its unique features. Like you can see the first button here, it has the glowing border effect. Okay, and other buttons, okay, each of them have a different hover effect. You can see some of them change the background, some of them are change the border color. Okay, and all are other some. Okay, and here is another one, okay, which is actually add border on hover. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the glowing border effect. Okay, so this one. Okay, so let me show you step by step. Just okay, so I am here on a page builder. Okay, which is blank. I will add a button. Okay, this code snippet is actually pretty simple and easy to use. Okay, so I will add this black color background for this section. Okay, to make my button good looking. Okay, but it depends on you how you actually want to add your button color. Okay, so button color will also be black. Let me make it black. Okay, that's fine. And now I'm going to add the code snippet. You can add the code snippet into the style CSS. Take CSS custom CSS option here. Otherwise, if you want to add a code option and put the code, you can also do that. Okay, so first of all, what I need to do, I need to get the section ID, okay, for where I added the button. Okay, so here is the enter section. Okay, and from the advanced tab I will get the CSS ID, and I'll go back to the code, and you can see here you need to replace your section, row, or column CSS ID. Actually, where you already added the button, we need to put that CSS ID. Okay, and then we will add a class on the button which is gradient border. Okay, and then here is our button. We will go to the advanced tab, and then we will put the class here. Okay, the class name. That's it. Now save. If everything goes well, then we should have a glowing effect on our button. Okay, so let me preview. Wait, yes, it's working. Okay, so this is how you actually apply this glowing border effect on your buttons. Okay, you can change the color, you can do anything else based on your design, but this is how you actually apply this code snippet. Okay, so and this is very important to replace the section or the div where you actually added the button. Okay, this CSS ID is important. Okay, because we added the z index 0 to make the glowing effect visible. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also you can share with your friend. And if you have any queries, if you have any questions or suggestions, don't forget to comment us. Okay, thank you.